Get targeted hits to your website using Traffic Exchange and Banner Exchange program. Get targeted hits to your website using Traffic Exchange and Banner Exchange program. People who make the most website income are the people who get high traffic to their website. You drive more traffic to your site, increase your website income. We will describe how to convert untargeted hits receiving from Traffic Exchange program to targeted hits. Quality of hits receiving from Traffic Exchange program is very low. But using my tips you will able to convert untargeted hits to targeted hits. My idea described below step by step. Register best Traffic Exchange program. Register best 3 Banner Exchange program, 1-to-1 exchange program. Banner Exchange program provide targeted hits to your website. Design very attractive banner for your website and upload to Banner Exchange program. Add 3 Banner Exchange program code to your webpage. Earn credit using Traffic Exchange program and redeem it to your website. If you get 100 hits to your website using Traffic Exchange program and redeem it to your website. If you get 100 hits your website using Traffic Exchange program. Each your Banner Exchange program earns 100 credits. Redeem credits earned by Banner Exchange program to your website. Your banner displays 300 times on other website. If your banner very attractive your website get high targeted hits. For example, your banner received 20% click, your website gets 60 targeted visitor using 100 credits of Traffic Exchange. If you earn more credits your website get more traffic.